off of the, you see it. Then you'll get into your movement. You can feint if you want to, sometimes jab, until we go ahead and get back into this space and then understand the timing off of it. Exit out all the way. Feint if you want to, play around on the line, and then as soon as you're ready to get into it. And then the timing off of that, once again, is you got to jump on me before I'm ready. So you have to make me kind of like fall asleep as far as for the timing of when you're there by changing it a little bit, then jump, right? So you can't, because you can't have me time your jump, because that's a big movement. You can't have me time that to go ahead and shoot a shot off of you. Your idea is make sure that you get on me before I'm ready, so at best case scenario, all I can do is not get punched. Not worse for you, which means I can counter you back. So we got 3 right now. So I should almost be flinching because I'm like, oh shit, the same way that when we did it in the corner over there and I was like half paying attention, that's what I need you to go ahead and have me forget. And then in between there, I might be doing that stuff to you too. I might be playing the same game. Exit, not against the ropes. Understand your field of play right now. You see, at that point, I'm just out. Exit, go. Get some of your feints in. We got 2 more. Remember, these are just a distraction for you. I want you to forget. Hey, there it is. Better. That's perfect. And we'll punch technique. But you see how like it's just now, it's different. Like when we would do Mitt sparring before, the idea of it was I was have you jumping on like a certain combination. Like this is the combination we're doing off of Mitt sparring. I'll go ahead and make you forget, but don't forget that we're doing a 2-3-2 or a 1-1-2, right, left, right. Don't forget that we're doing that. Right now, I had you, don't forget the timing. Don't forget the timing that you're trying to go ahead and do. So that way I'm like, and it's allowing you to make sure that you're not second on the mitts. You're setting this up as opposed to like waiting for me. Like you're bringing it up and it's like as a mitt holder, if I'm not ready, oh shit. But you're still aware of that combination that you will go ahead and throw. And that's my job. Because now it's going to transition a lot better as opposed to you sparring somebody and following them around like, and you're looking at your coach like, I don't know why I can't land it. It's your timing. And this is going to help with that timing reps. Does that make sense?
Yeah.